Alright, so in this video, I'll see about what is variable. So variable is basically you can think of it this way. Like suppose this is the memory block, right? So there are many memory blocks available, right? And now you have to store some values, right? So if you're storing some values, so you have to name this block as something, right? For example, X, or you can call it any name, right? So these things called as the variable, right? And in this actually you put the values. So for example, if x is equal to 5, right? So this is the value which is stored in this place. And to access this, you just use this name, right? So that's why we use variable. And in other programming language, you might have seen that when defining the variables, you have seen that they basically use int, right? Then x is equal to 5. So along with that, you tell that this is the integer type. But in Python, there is no such concept. You have to tell int or string or char. There's no concept of this. Basically, it says that you just have to declare this is an object, right? And you can make it actually as 5 or as a string, right? Or as character, right? So it's up to you. You can make it whatever you want. Just assign the value. It automatically takes the or define the values, right? So let's take it some example. So for example, suppose we want to define a variable n, right? N is equal to 5. Now if I print n, so you will see that n is 5, right? And then suppose n is equal to, you can define that, and Saleh, right? You will see that print n Saleh, right? You can also look at the type of the variable as well by this way. Sorry. Okay, basically to look at the type, so you can just you will see that this is the string type, right? And when you have assigned this at this place, suppose n is equal to 5, and if you look in the type, you will find that the int type, right? So as you can see it here, the Python automatically define the types, right? It depends on the what you are assigning to, whether it is string or integer, right? So thanks for watching.